Fish fry is a crispy and delicious snack that you can make at home with a few simple ingredients. Here is a recipe that you can follow. Ingredients: 500 g fish fillets, any firm white fish, such as tilapia or cod. A half cup all-purpose flour. A quarter cup cornmeal. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. 1 egg, beaten. A half cup milk. Vegetable oil, for frying. Instructions: rinse the fish fillets under cold water and pat dry with paper towels. In a shallow bowl, mix together flour, cornmeal, salt, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, if using. In another shallow bowl, whisk together the egg and milk. Dip each fish fillet into the egg mixture and then into the flour mixture, pressing the coating onto the fish to make sure it adheres well. Heat about a half inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the fish fillets to the skillet, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the fish for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown and crispy. Once the fish is cooked, remove it from the skillet with a slotted spoon and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce, such as tartar sauce or ketchup. Enjoy your homemade fish fry.